Welcome to the part 2 of Python PRegEx series. In the previous video, we covered the basics like pattern matching, optional parameters, either or logic, phone number extraction, capturing groups, and more, building a solid foundation. In this part, we will dive into PRegEx built-in functions and see how they help you to build cleaner, more powerful, and more readable regex pattern. In above examples, we are creating pattern to match the information and extract it, whereas PRegEx also provide pre-built functions for common use cases. Let's see one of those. First is email. Import email from regex meta essential. Take some examples like let's call pre-built email pattern. And now here we are capturing, not extracting the information. So we are using word capture domain. Set it true. Call the getMatch function and pass this text. Now here it written support@company.com and examples.org. Just like above, you can also capture the domain. Use getCapture function and pass the text. It will return the domain name. Here we don't need to write the pattern for emails. They have built-in functions. Meta Essentials contain multiple modules for ease of extracting information. Let's see another pre-built function. The another pre-built function is HTTP URL. Import HTTP URL from Meta Essential. Take a sample text containing the URL. This is my GitHub repo. Now to extract the HTTP URL, just call the HTTP URL function. We also provide here capture domain equal true. Call the getMatch function and pass this text. Here it written the URL of my GitHub repo from the text. Same you can do with the domain. Another important information we have to match is dates. Dates are a bit tricky with the regex because they have different formats. But PRegEx handle multiple date formats very well. So for that, import date function from Meta Essential. Now you can define different kind of date formats. To match the different date format, pass the format inside the date function. And again call the getMatch function and pass the text. As you see, it matches the date format. Dealing with date is quite easy with PRegEx. Just specify your format in plain English. No need to craft complex pattern. Let's take some complex example. You can compose simple pattern into complex one. Let's match URLs or IP address with the port in the scattered text. First we have to import some packages. First is atleast atmost. For IP address, import IPv4 from Meta Essentials. Reuse above code of URL pattern. For IP address with port, we have to create IP pattern IPv4. Now it is separated with the port number like 8080 or 800 8000, something like that, colon, exactly any digit. Port can be of 4 digit, so we are passing 4. Now combined with the either function, both the URL pattern and IP pattern. So our pattern is generated. Take a text sample and call the getMatch function and pass this text. Print the matches. Here it return URL and IP address with port number. So build a modular pattern and combine them like Lego block. This is what makes Regex perfect for complex parsing tasks. PRegEx transform Regex from cryptic symbol into readable, maintainable code, which is easier to understand and write. And remember, this pattern matching power drives the tokenizer in modern LLMs. By mastering PRegEx, you are not just writing better code, you are understanding a fundamental piece of AI infrastructure. Documentation and all the code examples link is in the description. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!